Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video we are gonna take a look at the SJRC Z5 folding drone, courtesy of Banggood. Check out the description below for any coupons or deals. Before we start with the review, I wanna quickly introduce myself if that's your first ever time on my channel. My name is David and this is The Everything. I'm all about drones, and if that's something that you like as well as I do, I would appreciate if you can hit that subscribe button. I just recently received this drone and I was amazed of what this drone does. So if this thing here flies as well as it says it does, this is awesome drone, because for under $100 you could get this drone with extra battery. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing of the SJRC Z5. The controller is very compact. It has a little arms like DJI drones that you can hang on to. Also, it's rechargeable. The drone really looks awesome and very solid in the hands. But it does have brushed motors and no video stabilization, which is the only downside of this drone. At the front of the drone we have a 1080p camera that can shoot 4K photos. Here you can see microSD card slot, so you can capture high definition video from the camera direct to the card. Here we have two buttons to remove the battery. Charging takes about 3 hours depending on your charger. To power on the drone, hold on the button and same for turn off. Range test is next. Let's test its maximum. Stay here until the end, because something unexpected will happen. "250 meters. FPV range has stopped." FPV does really depend on your cell phone. Let's now test the controller max range. 500 meters! That's enough, our battery is on 60%. Let's return back home safely. And then this happened. So this controller has a button to turn off GPS that's in the same position as my return to home button on my Mavic 2. And I think you can predict what happened. Your boy clicked that button while the drone was 500 meters away, without FPV signal. Immediately I realized that I clicked wrong button, and I tried to re-enter GPS. As you can see, I didn't re-enter GPS. The drone was drifting with the wind 500 meters away. I tried to find the drone with my Mavic 2. No signs. At that moment I thought to myself, that's it, the drone is lost. But I was still trying. Five minutes later I spotted something coming from my left. At the first I didn't believe. That was my drone. Immediately I put my Mavic 2 in the air to record that historical comeback. And it has done it great. Well done Z5 drone! It has a camera that can move electronically 90 degrees. Overall, I have to say that this drone is awesome, and for that price you cannot get better drone as of now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!